Hello everyone, I am Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology. In previous video, we have discussed about in types of software testing and white box testing. Then now we are discuss about in black box testing. And what is black box testing? It is the functionality of the software is tested without knowing its internal structure or programming logic. And it is consist of a two bases. The first one is an external behavior focus and tester independence. The external behavior focus is consist of a no code access required and treats the software as their black box, and tester independence like a performed by the QA engineers, and then it is focused on the user requirements and mimics in user interaction. Then what are the purpose of black box testing is called as the to test whether the software meets the user requirements, to identify the functional defects, and to validate the system from the end user perspective, and the end user correct the input and output behavior. Then types of black box testing, then it is consist of your two types. The first one is an functional testing and second one is an non-functional testing. The functional testing is called as the in which the system is tested against the functional requirements and specifications, and functional testing ensure that the requirements or specifications are properly satisfied by the application. The functional testing is called as a unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. The integration testing is consist of uh, unit testing. Then it is known as the top down and bottom up approaches. And the non-functional testing is consist of uh, it is the performed to verify the non-functional requirements of applications. It verifies the whether the behavior of the system is as per the requirements, or and it tests all the aspects that are not tested in the functional testing. The non-functional testing consists of three parts. The first one is in performance, and second one is in usability testing, and third one is then compatibility testing. The performance testing is called as the load testing and stress testing and scalability testing and stability testing. Uh, uh, then the types of functional testing is called as unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. The unit testing is the individual units or components of the software applications, and it is an application done by the developers and is used to ensure that the individual units of the software and work as the intended. And integration testing, and it is the how differ units or components of the software applications interact with each others, and then it is used to identify and resolve the any issues of the any arise when the different units of the software is combined in this process. The system testing, it is the evaluates the overall functionality of the performance and to the complete and the fully generated the fully integrated the software solutions, and its test if the needs to specify the requirements and it suitable of the delivery of the end users. And then next one is in the non-functional testing is consist of the performance testing and usability testing and compatibility testing. The performance testing it's ensure the software application to perform the properly under the expected workload, and it is testing techniques are carried out that determine the system performance in terms of the sensitivity and reactivity and stability under the particular workload as called as the performance testing. The usability testing is consist of uh, the type of the software testing to the type of the testing, and then is done from the end user perspective to determine if is the easily usable. The usability testing is generally the practices of testing the how easy to design is use the group of the representative of the users. And then third one is in the compatibility testing. It is the under the non-functional testing category, and it is performed on an application to check it is the compatibility of different platforms and environments, and its testing is done only the when the applications become an stable. The black box testing techniques are the equivalence priority partitioning and boundary value analysis and decision table testing, and the state transition testing. The comparing the methodology of the white box and black box testing is called as the aspects of knowledge required from white box testing is the internal code and design, and black box testing is called as external functionality and the requirements. And then the main objectives of white box testing is the verify the internal structure, and then black box testing called as the external behavior. Then ideal for of the white box testing is called as the unit integration testing, and black box testing is called as system acceptance testing. Thank you.